Morning, Abotai, Chodesh Tov. Today's Rosh Chodesh Adar, about which the Gemara tells us in Masechet Ta'anit, Daf Kaftet, that just as when Av begins, we decrease our joy, when Adar begins, we increase our joy, and because of that, the Gemara says, Rav Papa says that if a person has a pending litigation with a non-Jew, he should try to avoid it during Chodesh Av and try to hold it during Chodesh Adar, because that is when the mazal of Am Yisrael is very powerful. Now, Agon Khatam Sofer asks in his Tshuvot, he says, he makes a very interesting observation. If you look in the Rambam completely leaves out this halacha of trying to have the litigation with the Goy during Adar and avoiding it during Av. The Rambam doesn't make one mention of it. If you look in Maran Shulchan Aruch, in Siman Tav Kuf Nun Aleph, in Ilchot Tisha B'Av, he brings down Mishenichnas Av Mima'atin B'Simcha, and therefore not to hold the litigation with the Goy during Av. But when it comes to Mishenichnas Adar Marbin B'Simcha, and therefore hold your litigation with the Goy during Chodesh Adar, Maran omits it by Chodesh Adar. So he says, what's going on? So the Khatam Sofer explains that it's possible that the Rambam understood that Rav Papa, who said this thing about the court case with the non-Jew, he holds that that's because Am Yisrael has a mazal, and therefore the mazal of Am Yisrael, the fortune of Am Yisrael, is subject to change based on the months. But we hold la halacha based on the Gemara at the end of Masechet Shabbat that in mazal Yisrael, and therefore it doesn't matter, and therefore the Rambam completely omits the halacha. It doesn't matter when you hold the case. This wouldn't answer the Shulchan Aruch, because the Shulchan Aruch, like we said, brings it down for Av, but not for Adar. But at least it would answer the Rambam. Nevertheless, many poskim defend the ruling of Rav Papa, and not only that, the Khatam Sofer's own descendant, the Torarut Teshuvah, he also explains why Maran would bring it down only during Chodesh Av and not during Chodesh Adar. He says, because during Chodesh Adar, Maran writes in Siman Tafresh Pechet, the halacha is, let's say a person is going out on a journey from Rosh Chodesh Adar, and he's not going to be anywhere, he's not going to be on dry land, he's going to be, let's say, on a boat in the middle of the sea, and he's not going to have access to a Megillah. Maran says, already from the beginning of Rosh Chodesh Adar, let him read the Megillah just without Berachot. So we already see that Adar is a joyous month, it's a festive month, because, and forget about Mazal, it has to do with Chodesh Shenepach Lehem Miyagon Lesimcha. It's a month that Nisim Niflaot were done for Am Yisrael, and therefore because of that he says, Maran didn't have to say it again, since he already wrote that halacha with regards to Purim. By Av, he didn't speak about anything else, so he mentioned the halacha over there, and therefore many poskim do defend this opinion. That wouldn't answer necessarily why the Rambam omits it completely, but at least understand why the Shulchan Aruch leaves it out by Chodesh Adar, Yom Tov, and Chodesh Tov.